Hey, and welcome to a new lightning fast tutorial. Today we are learning Python decorators. So, what are the Python decorators? Imagine you have a gift. To make it look nice, you wrap it in decorative paper. A Python decorator does something similar for functions. It wraps a function to add some new capabilities or modify its behavior without changing the function's actual code. How do they work? You have a simple function, say greet function, that prints hello world. You want to enhance the greet function without altering its code. This is where a decorator comes into play. Creating a decorator. A decorator is essentially a function that takes another function as an argument and extends its behavior without explicitly modifying it. Let's create a decorator called enhanceGreet that adds a print statement before and after the greet function. To apply the decorator, you use the @ symbol followed by the decorator name right before the function definition. Now, when you call greet, it will first print function is about to run, then hello world, and finally function has finished running. Yay! Decorators with parameters. What if your function takes arguments? No problem. You can modify the wrapper function inside the decorator to accept arguments. This way, your decorator can enhance functions that take any number of arguments. Let's apply our enhanced decorator to a new function that takes an argument. Now, when you call personal greet Pythonista, you'll see function is about to run. Hello Pythonista. Function has finished running. This simplified explanation should give you a solid understanding of Python decorators and how to start applying them in your projects. Thank you all for watching, and please do not forget to subscribe and like the video.